students. Hi. Today we are going to talk about a very simple language point, but that has a very important influence in your speaking and on your writing. So today we are going to talk about English articles. At the end of this lesson, you need to be able to use suitable articles that are a, an, and the before definite and indefinite nouns. First, let's look at some examples to clarify the idea. Here we have a simple conversation between two people. The first one says, "I would like a hat." The second replies, "Would you like a big hat or a small hat?" "I'd like the big hat." Another sentence is, "I hope to travel to the moon." We studied about the great Ottoman Empire. So, as you can see, the definite article the is used before a noun to indicate that the identity of that noun is known to the reader. This means that you already know the noun that you are talking about. You know that noun either because you mentioned it before or because it's the only thing in the world, like the earth, the moon. Okay, the big hat, it's the second time we mentioned that hat, so it becomes known to the speaker. It's the big hat. The moon, there's only one moon. The earth, the president of the US, the sun, and the Arab Bank. Now, we said that definite nouns, we use with them the, when the name means that there is only one of that thing, the sun, the planet, the Red Sea, or when we refer to the same thing again. I saw a cat. I didn't know that cat. I saw a cat. The cat was chasing a mouse. This is the second time I mentioned the cat, so it becomes known to me. The mouse was scared. Which mouse? The mouse that was chased by the cat. So we say the mouse was scared. So these nouns are definite nouns, and that's why we use the with them. Let's continue. Now we will look at a and an. A and an are articles that are used with indefinite nouns. What do we mean with indefinite nouns? A noun is indefinite when its identity is not known to the speaker. For example, there is a lady outside. Do I know the lady? No, I don't know the lady, but there is a lady outside. I found a wallet in the park. So when we start talking about something new or for the first time, we should use a or an. Example, a car stopped at the entrance of the building. An old man is asking for help. So I'm sure that now you're asking yourself, when should I use a and when should I use an? Okay, now I will tell you the difference between a and an. It's very simple. Pay attention, please. Okay, when the indefinite noun starts with a vowel sound like a, e, u, I, o, we use an. For example, an apple, an umbrella, an orange, an elephant, an ox. When the indefinite noun starts with a consonant sound, all the other sounds except for the a, e, u, I, o, we use a. Example, a princess, a car, a house. Okay? Let's check our understanding of the simple grammar rule by doing the following questions. In this question, you should use the suitable article a, an, or the to complete the sentences. 1. I need to buy new TV. New TV. Do I know that particular TV? No. So I say, I need to buy a new TV. Excellent. Let's look at example 2. Do you want to go to the restaurant where we first met? Is it any restaurant? No, it isn't any restaurant. It's the restaurant where we first met. So we know, I and you, we know the restaurant that I'm talking about is the restaurant where we first met. So we say, do you want to go to the restaurant where we first met? 3. He's an engineer. Pay attention. E is vowel sound. So we say he's an engineer. 4. I sent you picture I told you about. Again, it's not any picture. It's the picture I told you about. You already know a lot about that picture. So I say, I sent you the picture I told you about. Excellent, students. Now let's look at the last example. 5. Palestinian Minister of Education will give speech today about the new semester. Palestinian Minister of Education. We all know the Palestinian Minister of Education. So we say the Palestinian Minister of Education will give a speech today about the new semester. Now check your answers. Here are the answers. Dear students, at the end of this lesson, I want you to always remember there are small things that we usually don't pay much attention to them, but they can make huge difference to our writing and speaking. And these are the English articles. As you saw, they are very easy, but still they have great impact on your writing and on your speaking. Please try to learn them. They are very easy. Thank you for your attendance today. Thank you.